Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I am in a new destination. I am in Baltimore in the state of Maryland. This is going to be a quick introduction. It is -5 degrees Celsius, so it is quite freezing, and I'm going to make it short and sweet. I got here last night, and now it is 8 o'clock in the morning. I am going to go just around the harbor to a coffee spot that I found online. So without further ado, come with me and let's go explore Baltimore for the day. Ciao, beautiful people. I am at the top of this beautiful park that overlooks at the whole city of Baltimore. It is freezing cold right now, but I am so grateful that the sun is out, and it really helps me to walk through the city, explore a little bit. I started my day at this quite famous spot called Matriarch Coffee, and I had a bagel and a matcha latte. And I've been sitting there just looking at the water and the birds that were coming over. And I know I always say the same thing, and I really want to reiterate once more how grateful I am for the life that I have, for this life, especially because the last few weeks have not been easy for me. I've been going through some personal stuff, and I've been down for a little bit. But today I wanted to remind myself what is worth to fight for, what is worth to live for, and what is worth to grasp every moment, every single moment of this life, and try to enjoy it as much as I can, even if that means to adapt to a new environment, a new situation. And I think that's the beauty of it, and that's the strength that I want to cherish and then I want to carry with me moving forward. So this is my very first rambling thought on a vlog of 2026. So there you go. But now, without further ado, let's walk a little bit longer through this beautiful park. Let's grasp every beautiful view of this scenery, and let's just get to know Baltimore together. Ciao, beautiful people. I am here at this Heritage Historic Center Park, and it got quite cloudy for now, but it's still quite pleasant. I've been drinking also a hot peppermint tea, and I've been just enjoying my quiet morning walk. It is just a little after 10 o'clock in the morning, and it is a Friday, so the plan for today it is to keep on walking a little bit longer around this park where I was able to see all the marks of every state and the date that they joined the Union. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna say something wrong, but I believe that with the Union, I believe they became part of the whole United States as we know today. Let me know if I'm wrong or if I got it right. Anyway, I am gonna put this winter jacket hat on as well to protect from the wind, and I've got my tea in my hand. Let's go explore a little bit longer this beautiful park and the beautiful water around. Beautiful people, I stopped at this coffee place where I ordered some minestrone hot soup that was delicious, and I've got some bread. Both the soup and the bread were just what I needed after a long walk in the cold of Baltimore. I devoured, and after that I kept on walking. I loved this church, and I also loved the sculpture outside the railway station. Beautiful people, it is currently 2:15 in the afternoon. I still have a couple of hours to probably wander around, but realistically I think what I'm gonna do, I am gonna just circle the square where I am at, and potentially I am gonna go back to the hotel where I'm gonna pack my luggage and get ready for the flight back home. Yeah, I really loved Baltimore the first time. Thank you for coming along with me to the city of Baltimore, and I'm so happy that I got the chance to visit a brand new state in the United States. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you liked my content, and I hope to see you very soon. Ciao, and I'll see you very, very soon. Ciao, ciao.